Umang Vohra, MD and Global CEO at Cipla, talking about their quarterly performance.
We're not, we don't see the impact. In any case, we are a generic sector. The purpose of what we do is to provide medicines to people who really need it from an affordability perspective. So as of now, we don't see any impact of tariffs on our business. And of course, there's a lot that's going to happen, between the U.S. government and the Indian government, and of course, members of the IPA. We're monitoring all of that, and we don't expect material changes to the business environment for generics.
Her second question is, what kind of impact is Cipla seeing from Trump's decision on the prescription drug price cuts?
Yeah, I think, it was announced yesterday. So there hasn't been enough time for us to fully assess what is the implication of that. As of now, what we understand is that this is largely targeted towards branded drugs. As of now, what we understand is that this is a voluntary measure that perhaps companies will be taking. There are aspects of MFN clauses, etc., from what we've read in the public domain. We do not know how that will be implemented and in which manner. So as of now, from a generic perspective, I think generic prices in the US are already very significantly comparable with the rest of the world. In some cases, lower. So we don't believe that, at least for now, based on what the promulgation says, we think this is more a branded sector impact as against anything on the generic side.
Her third question is, what are the future drivers of growth in North America?
There are many. I think we have our own pipeline that will unlock as our facilities and our products get ready and closer to launch. We already have a couple of imminent launches that should come in. We're also looking forward to the unlocking of our pipeline that we've communicated earlier, which was the peptides. So yeah, I think we see a lot of portfolio momentum adding to the Cipla trajectory there, possibly enough to start to substitute, the reduction in lenalidomide.
Thank you, Umang. That's all from Rishika. Our next question is by Vishwanath Pilla from Money Control. Vishwanath, if you could go ahead and ask your question. Vishwanath, can you hear us?
There might be a problem with the audio because both the...
Hi, sir. Can you hear me?
Yeah, hi, Vishnu. Thank you for saving the day.
Yeah. First of all, congratulations, sir. I mean, all the indicators I've seen, FY25 is the best year, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, that is right, Vishnu. This is fairly significantly a new level for us, both in terms of top line and bottom line, as well as profitability. Yes, thank you.
Sir, any outlook for FY26, sir, on, if possible, on revenue or EBITDA? What is your expectation?
No, we are looking at growth, Vishnu. Despite what we're going to see with lenalidomide, the company is still aiming to grow over where it is today. And because there are multiple moving parts, right, between just the earlier questions on tariff, on drug pricing, on the geopolitical situation in between India and Pakistan, and multiple things. The dollar situation. I just think it's there are multiple options and multiple avenues where performance could go. But we want to continue to grow despite lenalidomide evening out.
So there are enough.
Okay, that's Umang Vohra talking about as to how there shouldn't be any material change to business environment for generics, at least when it comes to the tariff tirade which is currently on. Cipla, largely an inline set of numbers, did see a little bit of volatility post the numbers and now stabilizing about the 0.5% gain mark.